Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to find sound settings on this device. So if you want to enter the sound settings but have absolutely no idea where you can find these sound settings, so I will help you to find them. Just go to the settings and then go to the sound section, and here you have the sound settings. You can manage the volumes here, you can vibrate on calls, you have the not disturb, shortcut to prevent ringing, phone, or you can change ringtones, notification sounds and other sounds section here, settings here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.